A number of humans know that God made man in his own image. So it will be right for me to say that the human mind is in the likeness of God's mind, which means that the potential, the capacity, and the ability of God's mind has its own fraction in the human mind. I made a finding some time ago, some years back, and it still baffles me. It's quite a mind-boggling revelation. I want to use an illustration of the speed of the earth around the sun and then comparing it with the speed of the fastest jet. First off, we all know that some of us know, according to a research by Cornell, that the Earth's speed around the sun is about 107,000 kilometers per hour. I'll say that again. Right now, where you are, the Earth is currently going around the sun at the speed of 107,000 kilometers per hour. Now, the fastest jet, supersonic SR-71 Blackbird, holds the record for the fastest jet, flying at 3,418 kilometers per hour. So far, that is still, according to record in 2021, the fastest jet flies at 3,418 kilometers per hour. If you try to multiply this and see how fast this goes in comparison to the Earth, coming back to the Earth moves at the speed of 107,000 kilometers per hour around the sun. It takes it 365 days to go around, to orbit around the sun. 365 days. And at the speed of 107,000 kilometers per hour, you are not feeling any movement. You are not feeling as though the Earth is moving at any speed. That means if you take an SR supersonic Blackbird jet to move around the sun, it's going to take it way over 10 years to go around the sun. But this same intelligent mind, what some people call universe, some people call source with a capital S, he made such a massive earth to move at such a high speed of 107,000 kilometers without you feeling the movement. So this simply tells me that if such an intelligence could make such a planet that moves at such a very high speed and you're not feeling any movement, but then the one we made, which is the supersonic jet, will take it way over 10 years to over around the sun, which takes the Earth only 365 days. That tells me that there is more to the human mind. There's more to the capacity of the human mind than it is achieving. Well, in further research, I got to discover an answer to that, even though that doesn't solve the whole puzzle. And that is this. According to NASA, in 2021, the fastest man-made object can move at the speed of 393,044 kilometers per hour. That is more than times 3 of the speed of the Earth. So we can say now that humans have been able to look at how powerful our mind is, and we have devised a man-made object that moves faster than the speed of the Earth. However, there is still a point the human mind hasn't been able to achieve. The closest any man-made object has gotten to the sun is about 18.6 million kilometers away from the sun. Now remember that this Earth, some say, is several million years old. Well, I know is over 6,000 years old. Now imagine an intelligence that made something over 6,000 years, made the sun so powerful that now, several thousands of years after it made it, the human mind can only make an object that cannot go closer to the sun more than over 18 million kilometers away. That tells me that there is still more to achieve. It means that we have not fully unraveled what the potential and the capacity of the human mind is. And I bring it to you. Are you achieving as much as you can? You haven't exhausted it yet. Because if you are taking after the likeness of the mind that made you, then probably you are only just accomplishing and achieving 0.0000000 whatever it is after the 0% of your mind's capacity. You want to go all out and begin to unravel and research, what more can I make? What more can I become? What more can I achieve? Because you know why? Or you know what? I believe strongly that there is more.